You've done the research and formed a solid thesis, yet the feedback on your essay still points to a lack of clarity. This disconnect often happens when the individual paragraphs fail to bridge the gap between your ideas and your final conclusion. Organizing these thoughts requires a specific blueprint. This is the TEAL formula, a 5-step structural framework designed to align every sentence with the requirements of academic writing. To build a paragraph using this method right now, you'll need 3 things: your working thesis, one specific piece of evidence, and a blank document. Mastering this sequence allows you to move past disorganized drafting and start building arguments that follow a logical, predictable path for your reader. We start with a strict boundary: 1 paragraph, 1 point. When a single paragraph attempts to carry 2 or 3 different arguments, the evidence for each of them becomes diluted. Keeping ideas separate ensures each claim has the space to be fully proven. Step 1 is the T, the topic sentence. It declares the paragraph's exact focus. Example, time management is essential for academic success. Step 2 is E for explanation. Here, you define your terms, explaining what your topic sentence means and why it matters. These first 2 steps define the scope of the paragraph. They ensure that by the time you introduce a fact, the reader already understands the context of the claim you're making. Now we move to the proof. Step 3 is our second E for evidence. This is where you insert a study, a quote, or a specific example that serves as the factual foundation for your topic sentence. A common mistake is providing facts without context, which minimizes your grade. To fix this, step 4 is analysis. Explain the link between evidence and claim. Phrases like "this shows that" force you to describe exactly how data proves your topic sentence. Without this step, evidence remains raw data. The analysis is what converts that data into a functional part of your academic argument. Finally, we reach step 5, L for link. This sentence concludes the point and demonstrates how the paragraph you just wrote supports the overall thesis of your essay. Essay structure typically breaks down when a writer forgets a topic sentence, combines multiple ideas, leaves evidence without context, or skips the analysis entirely. Following this 5-part structure provides a built-in checklist, making it difficult to accidentally omit the elements that instructors look for when grading. Look at the final assembly. With these 5 color-coded layers stacked in sequence, you can see how each sentence serves a specific functional role in the logic of the paragraph. Try this yourself. In the comments, write a TEAL paragraph on this topic: why social media affects students' productivity. I'll be checking the comments to provide feedback on your structure. If you want more techniques for improving your academic writing, subscribe for upcoming guides. The TAEL formula provides a repeatable process for essay construction, ensuring every paragraph you write is grounded in evidence and supported by clear analysis.